deep cleaning Acer Nitro and 515-43 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Cyril, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Opting for deep cleaning on a laptop is a wise and necessary decision to maintain its performance longevity and reliability. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, especially in the fans, vents, and heat sinks, leading to overheating, reduced cooling efficiency, and potential hardware damage. Without proper cleaning, the laptop may experience thermal throttling, sudden shutdowns, or even permanent component failure. Regular deep cleaning ensures that airflow remains unobstructed, allowing the cooling system to function properly, which helps prevent overheating and extends the lifespan of internal components. It also contributes to quieter fan operation, improved performance, and reduced risk of system crashes, whether for gaming, work, or daily use. Deep cleaning is a smart investment that helps keep the laptop running smoothly, efficiently, and in optimal condition for years to come. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.